Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has a currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. And the total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Firstly, let us see the key idea of this sum. The three main things which are given to you is that the ratio of rupee 100, rupee 50 and rupee 10 notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. So that means we have to let the number of notes accordingly. What we have to do, we will take the number of notes of rupee 100 to be 2x, rupees 50 to be 3x, rupees 10 to be 5x. And after that they are talking about the total cash with Lakshmi, that is 4 lakh. So how will we get the total cash? When we multiply rupee 100 by the number of notes, that is 2x, we will get the amount that is collected from rupee 100 note, that is rupee 100 into 2x, we will collect the amount rupees 200x from it. Then from rupee 50 we will get the amount rupee 50 into 3x, that is rupee 150x. And then from rupee 10 we will get the amount rupee 10 into 5x, that is rupees 50x. And when we add them we will get the total cash, and the total cash is given to us is 4 lakh. So from there we will get the value of x, and then we will get the number of notes of each denomination does she have. So this was about the key idea, how we will solve it, how we will understand the statement. Now let us proceed with the solution. As I have told you that we have to take the number of notes of rupee 100, rupee 50 and rupee 10 to be 2x, 3x and 5x. So we will write, let the number of rupee 100 notes be 2x, the number of rupee 50 notes be 3x, and the number of rupee 10 notes be 5x. Now, amount collected from rupee 100 notes. I have told you how much it will be, 2x into 100. So it will be rupee 100 into 2x, that is rupee 200x. From rupee 50 notes it would be rupee 50 into 3x, that is rupees 150x. From rupee 10 notes it would be rupee 10 into 5x, that is rupee 50x. Now total amount collected would be 200x plus 150x plus 50x. This would be equals to 400x, but we have given total cash is 4 lakh. Therefore 400x will be equals to 4 lakh. So x would be 4 lakh divided by 400, that is equals to 1000. So we will get the value of x to be 1000. Now we can find the number of notes of each kind. So therefore number of rupee 100 notes would be, it was 2x, so 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Number of rupee 50 notes would be 3x, that is 3 into 1000, 3000. And the number of rupee 10 notes would be 5x, that is 5 into 1000, 5000. This is your answer. Now proceed with the second question. The organizer of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupee 100 and participant who doesn't win gets a prize of rupee 25, and the total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Now let us understand the statement or the key idea of the sum first. You have given the total number of participants to be 63. Now if we say there are x number of winners, then how many participants were there who doesn't win will be 63 minus x, because total is 63. From it x is the number of winners. So how much is left? 63 minus x, and these will be the participants who doesn't win. So after that we have given that a winner will get rupee 100 prize and a participant who doesn't win will get a prize of rupees 25. So therefore the prize money given to the winners would be 100 into x, that is 100x, and the prize money given to the non-winners will be 25 into 63 minus x. So when we add them, when we add these two prizes, it should be equals to the total prize money, that is rupees 3000. So after that, after making this kind of equation, we will solve it. We will get the number of winners it is having. So for that, let us start with the solution part. Let the number of winners be x. Therefore, the number of non-winners would be 63 minus x. Now, prize money given to winner, given to, we can say, one winner is rupee 100. So prize money given to x winners would be rupee 100 into x, that is rupee 100x. Then prize money given to one non-winner, that is rupees 25. So prize money given to 63 minus x non-winners would be 25 into 63 minus x. So total prize money given would be 100x plus 25 into 63 minus x. So we will solve it. 100x plus, when we open it, 25 into 63 minus 25 into x. So it is equals to 100x plus, we will multiply 25 by 63, we will get 1575 minus 25x. So it is 100x minus 25x plus 1575, combining like terms. So 75x plus 1575. But we have given the total prize money, that is rupees 3000. Therefore, this 75x plus 1575 should be equals to 3000. So 75x is equals to 3000 minus 1575, which is equals to 1425. So x will be equals to 1425 divided by 75. So after solving it, you will get is equals to 19. So therefore, there are 19 winners. That is your answer.